This is the most difficult excavator to operate in the whole world. In fact, operating it is more difficult than flying most airplanes. This freak of engineering is called the Menzi Muck Spider Excavator, and the reason why it's so difficult to operate is that it doesn't just drive. It's designed to crawl and walk on steep slopes like a spider. It's not built for the level ground. It's designed to climb extreme slopes like mountain passes, cliffs, and even landslides like an insect. Mastering it takes years of practice. That's why no one would steal it, even if you leave the keys in the ignition with the door wide open.